What if I told you that some of Audi's best cars are the ones almost nobody is paying attention to? No RS badge, no crazy price tag, but performance, comfort, and value that genuinely makes them some of the smartest buys you can make. In 2025, today, we're ranking 6 underrated Audi models you should seriously consider before spending big money on the usual picks. Welcome to the video. If you're shopping for an Audi, or even just curious about which ones offer the best value, this breakdown is going to help you decide which model fits your lifestyle. We're comparing performance, reliability, comfort, tech, running costs, and real-world ownership experience. So, stay tuned, because there are a few cars here that might completely change your mind about Audi. Let's get started. Number 6. The Audi A3 Allstreet. This car is like the undercover agent of the lineup. Most people don't even know it exists yet. It's basically an A3 that asked for more ground clearance, chunkier styling, and a little attitude. It comes with great tech, including Audi's virtual cockpit. And the interior feels premium for its size. It's comfortable, efficient, and perfect for city driving, with occasional rough roads or winter conditions. Now, weaknesses. It looks adventurous, but it's not a hardcore off-roader. Also, performance isn't the highlight here. But as a daily, especially for new car buyers, it's practical and affordable. If you want a premium badge without stretching your budget, this is a great entry point. Number 5. The Audi A4 B8 with the 2.0 TFSI engine. This one has a reputation. Some people love it, some fear it. Mainly because early engines consumed oil like it was fuel, but when maintained properly, this is one of the best value used luxury sedans you can buy. It has timeless styling, great handling, and strong aftermarket support. If you're considering one in 2025, make sure it has service history, especially piston work and carbon cleaning. But if you get a clean one, it's a fantastic car for someone wanting a premium sedan with personality. Number 4. The Audi A5 Coupe. This is one of the best looking Audis ever made. Smooth lines, great proportions, and road presence that never gets old. It offers strong engines, good tech for its era, and a premium driving feel. The main drawback is rear seat space, which is more decorative than functional. But if style is important to you, and you want a refined, sporty coupe, the A5 is a strong choice and now very reasonably priced used. Number 3. The Audi A7, the 55 TFSI. If the A5 is the model, the A7 is the executive CEO. Sleek, elegant, and practical, thanks to its liftback design. It features a smooth, turbocharged 3.0 V6 engine and one of the most premium interiors Audi has ever made. It's comfortable, refined, and packed with tech. However, repairs for air suspension or electronics can get pricey. So, service history is important. But if you want comfort, tech, style, and practicality all in one, the A7 is an amazing middle ground between sporty and luxury. Number 2. The Audi A8 TFSI. This is the ultimate hidden gem. While everyone looks at the Mercedes S-Class or BMW 7 Series, the A8 quietly delivers an incredible luxury experience for a fraction of the used price. This version packs a twin-turbo V8, insane comfort features, incredible ride quality, and technology that feels futuristic even now. The downside: maintenance is not cheap and depreciation hits hard. But if you want one of the best value luxury sedans today, this is near the top. Number 1. The Audi F1 concept and future platform. This car isn't fully here yet, but it represents where Audi is heading. Next-gen EV performance, futuristic interiors, autonomous systems, and an entirely new design language. This car hints at Audi moving beyond just competing, and instead redefining what a modern performance luxury brand looks like. Before we rank everything, let's compare categories. For performance, the clear winner is the Audi A8 TFSI. For daily practicality, the Audi A3 Allstreet. For style and design, the Audi A5 Coupe. For comfort, again, the Audi A8. For value in the used market, the Audi A4 B8. And for future innovation, of course, the upcoming Audi F1 platform. Now, if you're considering buying one used in 2025, here are key things to check. Carbon buildup on older turbo engines. Transmission service on DSG and ZF automatic suspension bushings, especially on A7 and A8 models. Full documented maintenance history. And finally, electronics and infotainment function, because repairs can be expensive. Now it's your turn. Which one would you choose? Comment below and tell me your pick. Make sure to subscribe for more breakdowns, comparisons, and hidden car gems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.